Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to share with you all my ride sharing business plan template that's been updated for 2023. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. After that, we'll then go ahead and dive into the ride sharing business plan template. I'll show you the quantity of information, the writing style, and the structure. And then once we're done, we'll wrap it up, sum it up, and call it a day. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and zip through this little PowerPoint presentation. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA, as well as owner of Quality Business Plan and Quality Business Consultant. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials and tribulations, growth opportunities of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me email. My contact information is right here. I would be delighted to write a business plan for you. I am also a published author on Amazon.com. Check out some of my books there. They're focused on business plan writing as well as understanding financial statements. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you do need some help with those pesky financial projections, business plans ready to go, but those numbers are keeping you up at night, I'd be delighted to do your financial projections for you. Again, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to help. And enough about me. Let's go ahead and talk about the ride-sharing business plan template. My ride-sharing business plan template does come with a Word document as well as an Excel file, which includes the financial model. So when you do open up the ride-sharing business plan template, you'll be greeted with the title page. Most of my clients, what they're going to do is they're going to go ahead and put their logo up top, and then underneath they'll keep the word business plan. And it'll just show like the organization with the word business plan underneath. All right, the next page is going to be our table of contents. Once you add a little bit more meat to the bone, you fill out your business plan template, put your ride sharing information in there. You just come over to the table of contents, click on update the table, click on update the entire table, click on OK, and then voila, all your headings and your page numbers will update accordingly. The next page is going to be your executive summary. Anywhere you see yellow, you definitely want to go ahead and put your information in there or make sure it's correct. And for the executive summary, it just includes the ride-sharing summary, target market, financial highlights, and funding request. The next section is going to be your company description. In your company description, it's going to cover important topics such as your ride-sharing summary, popular services offered, competitive advantages, primary target market, pricing strategy, hours of operation, location, and your business objectives and timeline. For the industry analysis, I get this information from the IBIS World. IBIS World, in my opinion, is the industry leader in industry research. So what I do is I go onto their site, grab the report, and then update and summarize that report and include it in the business plan template. And that information is provided to you here. And then underneath, I did add a product and segmentation, which again provides more details in regards to your industry. The next section is your SWOT analysis. This is your strengths, your weaknesses, your opportunities, and threats. And once you are ready to fill out the chart or update the chart, just click on it. Click on your smart arts, a little arrow right here, and then it will pop out the text box where you can go ahead and make the changes to your SWOT analysis. The next section is going to be the organizational structure. In the organizational structure, you can update the ownership information there. And for organizational chart, you just click on the words to update it. And if you want to add some more boxes to your organizational chart, just click on the arrow on the side. Out pops the box, and you can go ahead and update again accordingly. Your next section is going to be your marketing section. In this marketing section, I give you a good start for your traditional marketing, your internet marketing, and your social media marketing. Again, read through it and add your ride-sharing information as needed. Next section is going to be a funding request. How much money do you need to get this party started? And then what you'll do is you'll just go ahead again, read through the information, update it to make sure it reflects what you need. And then the final section is going to be your financial projections. For the financial projections, it does include your profit and loss for year one, broken up monthly, month 1, 2, 3, as well as quarterly. And this one is quarter one. And then we go to quarter two, quarter three, and then quarter four. And then finally, the financial model does include your pro forma income statement, which is your annual projections for your revenues, your expenses, and your net profits for the next 5 years broken up annually. All right, so that is what is included in the ride-sharing business plan template. Let me go ahead and show you the financial model next, and that is coming up right now. And for the final section of our video, I do provide y'all with the financial model, and in the financial model it is in Excel. So what you'll do is once you buy the business plan template, you open up the Excel file, and you will be greeted with your information page. And so the financial model does come with 4 tabs. It's your information page, your projections, your profit and loss statement, and your income statement. So all of your changes you want to do to the financial model is going to be on your information page. So anywhere in the darker color cells, like right here, this is where you're going to update your information. And the information page is broken up into several sections as well. It's your daily sales, your labor, your startup cost, monthly fixed cost, miscellaneous information, your growth rates, and then your loan information. For your daily sales, what you're able to do is put in the number of customers you're going to be provide ride sharing with here. This is the average price per ride share, and this is your variable cost as a percentage. So for example, in this example, I'm saying you're going to give 18 rides at an average price of 30%, and your variable cost is 15% of your revenues, and 15% of 30 is going to be $4.50. The next section here is just how many days you're going to be operating per week. In the labor section right here is going to be your salary, how much you want to pay yourself on a monthly basis. If you're going to have employees, put it right here. They're rated pay right here. Next section is going to be startup cost. For your startup cost, you're going to go ahead and put in your investment. Are you going to put an equity investment in? If you are, put it here. If you're going to be borrowing a loan, you're going to put your loan amount information right here. And then underneath there are the categories that you can go ahead and divvy up your startup cost. The next section is going to be your monthly fixed costs. So whatever your monthly fixed costs are going to be, just go ahead and put that information right here. Miscellaneous information, whatever your tax rate is going to be, just put your tax rate right here. And then finally, we've got our growth rates for revenues, which will be right here. And then our growth rate for our expenses are going to be right here. And the final section is going to be your loan information. What do you think your interest rate is going to be for your loan? And then how long is your loan going to be? All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. And once you do update this information here, your projection tab will update. This chart right here will update. So this chart's a bonus chart. Also, your various updates for your revenues, your costs, your net profits will update as well. And your profit and loss statements will update. And your income statement for the next 5 years will update once you enter your information into the information page. And then once you're done, all you're going to do is you're going to copy your financial chart into the Word document. So you'll just highlight the income statement, hit Control-C, go over to your Word document, delete the old income statement, and then paste in the new income statement. And once you're done with that, you'll be all set, ready to go. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.